In today's video, I'm going to teach you have your salary paid into your Monzo account via Bax. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set things up and how to get your money a little earlier each month without any fuss. First, make sure your salary is paid into your Monzo account via Bax. Bax is the standard UK payroll system most employers use for scheduled salary payments. If you're switching where your pay lands, share your Monzo account number and sort code with your employer's payroll team and confirm they'll pay you via Bax to that account. It's worth checking your first payday with Monzo a couple of weeks in advance just to allow payroll time to update their records. If you're not sure whether your employer uses Bax, ask them directly. Terms like faster payments or chaps mean it might not qualify for the early pay feature. Once your salary is on its way and due, you'll see a notification appear in your Monzo feed. This typically shows up automatically when Monzo detects an incoming Bax salary. To avoid missing it, make sure notifications are enabled on your phone and that you're logged into the correct Monzo account. If you don't see anything yet, don't worry. Keep an eye on the feed as the day progresses, especially on the working day before your usual payday. When the notification appears, tap it and select Get Paid Early to receive your funds immediately. This moves your salary into your account right away and is entirely optional. If you prefer, you can simply wait and your pay will arrive on your normal payday as usual. After you tap Get Paid Early, give it a moment, you should see your balance update and the salary transaction appear in your feed. It's a good idea to double check the amount and make any planned transfers or bill payments once the funds are showing. You can get paid from 4 p.m. the working day before your usual payday. Working days exclude weekends and bank holidays, so if your payday falls on a Monday, you'll typically be able to get paid from 4 p.m. on the preceding Friday, unless there's a holiday in between. If 4 p.m. comes and you don't see the option, it usually means the payment hasn't been sent via Bax, or it's simply not ready yet. Check back later that afternoon. That's it. Set your salary to Monzo via Bax, watch for the notification, tap Get Paid Early, and enjoy access to your money from 4 p.m. the working day before you're normally paid.